Do you know you can use one layer of ashoke to tie this? Let me show you how. So fold it into two, fold an inch in and place from the back of your head. When you reach the front, give it a knot. Not too tight, but a bit tight. I don't know if you understand that. So once you are done knotting it like that, adjust it properly, and it is time to bring out that shape or style you want to do. Pick one up like this, stretch it out, make like a rough place with it, and watch my hand. You're going to arrange it to the back like this. The one that is directed towards the back, direct it to the back like this one. Push it in and pull out the excess. That is what I'm doing. Pull out the excess, not too tight. The way it is saying, use your hand to adjust it. Make sure that it sits tight to the length that you can still dip your hand into it and it will go in. The ones that falls at the front again, take it in, repeat the same thing. If your material is long, continue with the same process. But this is where my material stops. So I'll go for the other one and repeat the same process. Now, this is dipping in now. This one I'm going to cross it from the front and not from back to the front. It's now from front to the back. Take note. So like this, repeat the same process. This is the first one, and I'll do the same thing to the other part. Fold it in, dip it in again, and bring the excess out. Yes, it is done, and I have beads remaining, just a little bit and a little bit here, and I'll find a way to secure them at the back like this, and I'll do the same thing to the other parts. Secure it like this. So once I'm done securing, don't leave your head wrap untouched. Go to the front, adjust very well to your taste, and here is the final look using one layer of ashoke. I'll see you guys in my next video. Follow for more. Bye.